Good morning students. In this session we'll see application problems on binomial theorem. It's very important for your annual examination also. See the first question. Using binomial theorem, find the value of 1.01 to the power 5 corrected up to 4 decimal places. You need to expand 1.01 to the power 5 using binomial theorem only. Okay, using binomial theorem you need to find the value of 1.01 to the power 5. See here, suppose 100 is given, you need to write here, see only one term you can see, right? You need to write 100 as two terms, binomial, two terms. You can write it as 99 plus 1, it is 100, or 98 plus 2. In this, see, if you apply binomial theorem to 99 plus 1, while expanding you will get 99 to the power 2, 99 to the power 3, 99 to the power 4, likewise according to the index. But it's little difficult to calculate 99 to the power 5 or 99 to the power 6 directly. Or similarly, if you use 98 plus 2 for 100, again you will get 98 to the power 3 or 98 to the power 9. Like that time you need to use calculator. Suppose 99 is given. In this case you can write it as 100 minus 1, or you can write it as 98 plus 1 also. Here this also binomial term, this also binomial term. Instead of selecting 98 plus 1, better to select 100 minus 1, because while applying binomial theorem, you will get 100 to the power 1, 100 to the power 2, 100 to the power 3, 100 to the power 4, likewise. It's easy to calculate, right? 100 to the power 2 means you need to put 4 zeros, likewise 100 to the power 3 means you need to put 5 zeros, likewise you can easily calculate. Okay, so in this problem, see 1.01 to the power 5 is given. You can write it as 1 plus 0.01 to the power 5. If you add, you will get the same term. Now see, it's a binomial term, right? Here x value equal to 1, a value equal to 0.01, right? Here x value equal to 1 and a value equal to 0.01 and index n equal to 5. Now expand 1 plus 0.01 to the power 5 equal to nc0, 5c0 into a to the power n, 1 to the power 5, plus 5c1 into 1 to the power 4 into a to the power 1, that is 0.01 to the power 1, plus next 5c2 into 1 to the power 3 into 0.01 to the power 2, plus 5c3 into 1 square into 0.01 to the power 3, plus 5c4 into 1 into 0.01 to the power 4. Last term is plus 5c5 into 1 to the power 0, that is 1 itself, into 0.01 to the power 5. Okay, then see, it's equal to 5c0 value, 5c0 nc0 value equal to 1. Okay, 1 into 1, it's equal to 1, plus 5c1 value is 5 into 0.01, plus 5c2. How to calculate 5c2? Here see, 5c2 equal to 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2 twos are, so its value equal to 10 into 1 cube is 1 into 0.01 square. 0.01 square equal to 0.001. Okay, plus again see 5c3 equal to 5c2, right? Its value equal to again 10. You can calculate its value equal to 10 into, see, 0.01 cube. 0.01 cube is equal to 0.00001, plus next 5c4 into 0.01 to the power 4. Okay, see, question is up to 4 decimals, then you will get very smaller values here, so neglect the other values. Okay, you can, if your value is very small means you can neglect the other values. Okay, now see, it's equal to 1 plus 5 into 0.01 is 0.05, plus 10 into 0.001, it's equal to, you will get 0.001. Okay, you need to put 1 decimal forward. Okay, plus here see 10 into 0.501, it's equal to 0.12341. Okay, you need to write is 10. Okay, otherwise you can use calculator also. Now using the calculator, add this one, you will get 1.0510. After decimal, write 4 places only. Okay, round figure it and write 4 places. After decimal, write 4 digits only, because question is corrected up to 4 decimals. Okay, so final answer is 1.0510. To verify this one, in the calculator multiply 1.01 5 times, again you will get same answer. See the second question, you need to find the value of 99 to the power 5. Okay, here 99 to the power 5 is there. You can write it as 100 minus 1 to the power 5. 99 equal to, we know, 98 plus 1 also equal to 99, or 97 plus 2 also equal to 99. But while expanding, you will get 98 to the power 2, 98 for 3, 98 for 4, likewise. Okay, it's little difficult to add the values, so we know it's easy to take power of 100, right? So 99 to the power 5, you can write it as 100 minus 1 to the power 5. Now see, x value equal to 100, a value equal to minus 1, right? Here minus you can see, index n value equal to 5. Now expand 100 minus 1 to the power 5 is equal to NC0, 5C0 into A, 100 to the power 5. Next minus, right? Why? In the middle minus is there. Wherever suffix even is there, put plus sign. Suffix odd means put even minus sign. So 5C1 into 100 to the power 4 into, you will get 1. Next plus 5C2 into 100 to the power 3 into 1 square, plus 5C3 into 100 to the power 2 into 1 cube, plus 5C4 into 100 into 1 to the power 4, plus 5C5 into 100 to the power 0, right, into 1 to the power 5. Okay, in the next step, multiply this one. It's equal to 5C0 value is 1 into 100 to the power 5. Now consider 100 minus 1 to the power 5. Expand, it's equal to 5C0 into 100 to the power 5. Next minus. Okay, because see, in the middle minus is there, so whenever suffix of C is odd, you need to put minus. So 5C1 into 100 to the power 4 into 1 to the power 1, then plus 5C2 into 100 to the power 3 into 1 to the power 2. Next minus 5C3 into 100 to the power 2 into 1 to the power 3, plus 5C4 into 100 into 1 to the power 4, minus 5C5 into 100 to the power 0 into 1 to the power 5. Now simplify this one. We know 5C0 value is equal to 1 into 100 to the power 5. That means multiplying 100 5 times, you will get 10 zeros, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5C1 value is 5. Multiplying 100 4 times means you will get 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 5C2, we know 5C2 value is 10. 100 cube means you will get 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then minus 5C3 value is again 10. 100 square means 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 5C4 value is 5 into 100, minus 5C5 value is 1 into 1 to the power 5 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So it's equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus, you will get 5 into this number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, term number of zeros remains same, but you need to multiply 5. Okay, then plus here you need to add 1 0, because multiplying 10 to this number, you need to add 1 0. Already see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros are there, so you will get 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. Minus here 4 zeros are there, again you are multiplying 10, that means you need to add one more 0. So 1 2 3 4 5 plus 500 into 100 is equal to 500 minus 1. Now use the calculator to simplify this one. You will get 95009900499. Okay, here there is no case of up to 4 decimals. Likewise here no decimals, right? So if 0.1 1.01 or 1.02, that time they will give up to 4 decimals. Otherwise in this case you can't neglect the values because there is no smaller values, right? In the previous problem, after calculating 2 to 3 values, we neglected the remaining terms because their value is very small. But here values are big numbers, right? So we can't neglect. So you need to write all the values and you need to simplify, then only you will get the required answer. Okay, see the next question. Find the value of 0.99 to the power 5 up to 4 places of decimals using binomial theorem. Okay, here see 0.99 to the power 5 is given. You can write 0.99 as 1 minus 0.01. Okay, 1 minus 0.01, that's equal to 0.99, right? Okay, to the power 5 is there. Okay, a value equal, see x value equal to 1, a value equal to 0.01, index n equal to 5. Okay, now expand 1 minus 0.01 to the power 5 is equal to nc0 5c0 into a 1 to the power 5 x to the power n, that is 1 to the power 5, then minus, because in the middle minus is there, right? Whenever suffix of c is odd, put minus, then 5c1 into 1 to the power 4 into 0.01 plus 5c2 into 1 to the power 3 into 0.01 square, then minus 5c3 into 1 square into 0.01 cube, next plus 5c4 into 1 into 0.01 to the power 4, then minus 5c5 into 1 to the power 0 is 1, 0.01 to the power 5. Okay, in the next step see, to 5c0 value is 1 into 1 to the power 5 is 1, minus 5c1 value is 5, 0.01 plus 5c2 value is 10 into 0.01 square, you will get 0.0001. Okay, then minus 5c3 value is again 10 into 0.01 cube. Okay, that time we will get 0. You need to put 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 1, then plus neglecting the other values. Why? Because here see 0.01 to the power 5 or 0.01 to the power 4 very small values, right? So you can neglect that values. Okay, whenever decimals comes you can neglect the values. So 1 into 1 is 1 minus 0.05 plus here see multiplying 10, that means you need to reduce 1 0 here because decimals there, right? Decimals moves 1 point here. Okay, so you'll get 0.001 minus again multiplying by 10, decimals are there, this decimal point moves forward one step forward, so it's equal to 0.1234 zeros are there, put 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4 1, then plus neglecting the other values, so it's equal to, if you use the calculator, approximately your value is 0.95099. Okay, see the next question. Find the value of 1.2 to the power 5 using binomial theorem up to 4 places of decimals. Here consider 1.2 to the power 5. Here you can write it as it's equal to 1 plus 0.2 power 5. Okay, now see here x value equal to 1, a value equal to 0.2, index n equal to 5. Then expand 1 plus 0.2 to the power 5 equal to nc0 5c0 into 1 to the power 5 plus 5c1 into 1 to the power 4 into 0.2 plus 5c2 into 1 to the power 3 into 0.2 square, then plus 5c3 into 1 to the power 2 into 0.2 to the power 3 plus 5c4 into 1 to the power 1 into 0.2 to the power 4 plus 5c5 into 0.2 to the power 5. Okay, now simplify this one. 5c0 value is 1 into 1 to the power 5 is 1 plus 5 into 5c1 value is 5, 0.2 plus 5c2 value is 10 into 1 cube is 1, 0.2 square. We know 0.2 square is equal to 0.04 plus 5c3, its value is 10 into 0.2 whole cube. 0.2 whole cube equal to 0.008 and 5c4 value is equal to 5c1, its value equal to 5 into 0.2 to the power 4. 0.2 to the power 4 means 0.0016 plus 5c5 value, it's equal to 1 into 0.2 to the power 5, it's equal to 0.00032. Okay, now simplify this one. 1 into 1 equal to 1, 5 into 0.2, okay, that's equal to 1 plus 10 into 0.4, you will get 0.4, 10 into 0.08, 1 0 reduces, right, if you multiply by 10, so plus 0.08, or you can use the calculator also. Then 5 into this much, you will 0.008 and plus 1 into 0.00032, you will get plus 0.00032. Use the calculator and simplify, you will get 2.48832. Okay, this is the approximate answer. See the next question. Find the value of 1.0 to the power 6 up to 4 decimals using binomial theorem. Again, see in this question you can write 1.0 to the power 6 equal to 1 plus 0.02 to the power 6. Don't write 0.2 here. See 1.02. okay, now expand this one. See x value equal to 1, a value equal to 0.02, index value equal to 6. Now expand 1 plus 0.0 to the power 6 equal to 6c0 into 1 to the power 6 plus 6c1 into 1 to the power 5 into 0.02 plus 6c2 into 1 to the power 4 into 0.02 square plus 6c3 into 1 to the power 3 into 0.02 to the power 3 plus 6c4 into 1 to the power 2 into 0.0 to the power 4 plus 6c5 into 1 into 0.02 to the power 5 plus 6c6 into 0.02 to the power 6. Now see 6c0 value equal to 1, 1 to the power 6 is 1. 6c1 value equal to 6 into 1 to the power 5 is 1 into 0.02. okay, then 6c2 value, calculate this one. 6c2 equal to 6 into 5 by 2 into 1, 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15 into 0.02 square, 0.02 square, its value equal to 0.0004. then plus 6c3 value, again see 6c3 equal to 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 into 2 into 1, 6 get cancelled. See 5 4 ja, its value equal to 20, it's equal to 20 into 0.000008. then next plus 6c4, calculate 6c4 equal to 6c2, right, so it's equal to 6 into 5 by 2 into 1, 2 1s are 2 3s are 5 3s are 15 into 0.02 to the power 4, plus neglecting the other values. Okay, if possible, use the calculator and simplify, or simply write neglecting the other values. Now multiply 1 into 1 is 1, plus 6 into 0.2, it's equal to 0.12, plus 15 into 0.0004 equal to 0.0006, and next plus 20 into this one, plus 20 into 0.000008, it's equal to 0.00016, and neglecting the other values. The value is approximately 1.12076. With this problem we completed binomial theorem chapter.